The history of NFTs from CryptoKitties to present day. In this video, we'll be exploring the history of NFTs, where they came from, and how they evolved into the phenomenon they are today. The first major NFT project was CryptoKitties, which launched in 2017. CryptoKitties were unique digital cats that could be bought and sold using cryptocurrency, and they quickly became a sensation. After the success of CryptoKitties, other NFT projects began to emerge, such as crypto celebrities and crypto collectibles. These projects were based on the same principles as CryptoKitties, but with different types of digital assets. In early 2021, NFTs exploded in popularity. This was due in part to high-profile sales of NFTs by artists such as Beeple, whose digital art piece sold for $69 million. Today, NFTs continue to be a hot topic in the world of cryptocurrency and beyond. There are NFTs for everything from digital art to sports collectibles, and new projects are launching all the time. It remains to be seen where the future of NFTs will take us, but it's clear that they have already had a major impact on the world of digital assets.